Want to share a post to your Instagram story? Seen people repost posts in their stories? Here's how to do it in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media tips and tech tutorials simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Find the post you want to share to your story. Step 2. Look below the post for the paper airplane icon. Tap it to open the sharing options. Step 3. In the menu, select Add Post to your story. The post will appear in the story editing screen. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We post simple Instagram tips, TikTok tricks, and smartphone tutorials every week. Step 4. Use one finger to move the post around. Use 2 fingers to resize or rotate it. Step 5. Add text, captions, tags, or stickers if you want. You can also swipe to apply filters. Step 6. Tap your story at the bottom of the screen. The post will be shared to your Instagram story. Now you know exactly how to share an Instagram post to your story in just a few taps. For more Instagram tricks, hidden features, and social media tips, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching.